Reading my comments last night, I got a question: is truck driving stressful? Well, the answer to that is yes and no. It can be stressful if you let it be stressful. There's a lot of traffic out here. There's things we don't get to go home on time. Things happen, things change. But how you deal with it with your mind determines if it's stressful or not. If you're a normal stressful person and things bother you, then yes, it can be stressful. On the other hand, if getting away out of the office and getting away and getting on the road so you can clear your mind, listen to podcasts, pray, meditate, and be by yourself helps you get unstressful, then it won't be a stressful job. It's all what you make it. If you want it to be stressful, it can be stressful. If you don't want it to be stressful, it don't have to be stressful. It's all on how you think and how you handle things. I hope you got some value from this. If so, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. This is Trucking Life with Sean. Let's get it.